Good morning, everyone. Dear students, today we shall study and discuss about the first chapter of your English grammar, that is tense revisited, tense ର ପୁନରାବୃତ୍ତି. In class 9th, we have learned that time is a continuous flow measured in seconds, minutes, hours, days or years. ଆମେ ନବମ ଶ୍ରେଣୀରେ टाइम और टेन्स विषय भल भाव पढ़ी. टाइम कौन ना टाइम ହେଉଛି ଏକ ଅବାରିତ ଧାରା, ସମୟର ଅବାରିତ ଧାରା, ଯାହାକୁ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ, ମିନିଟ୍, ଘଣ୍ଟା, ଦିନ, ବର୍ଷ ଦ୍ୱାରା ମପା ଯାଇଥାଏ. We know there are three types of time such as present time, past time and future time. Then comes to tense. Tense is a grammatical concept specific to a particular language. Tense ହେଉଛି ଏକ ବ୍ୟାକରଣଗତ ତଥ୍ୟ ଏକ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ଭାଷା ପାଇଁ. Tense is concerned with the verb forms. Tense ହେଉଛି verb form ସହିତ ଜଡ଼ିତ. verb forms ଆମେ ମଧ୍ୟ ପଢ଼ିଛନ୍ତି. There are four verb forms such as present tense form V1, past tense form V2, then past participle form V3, present participle form V4, ing form. There are two types of tense. There are two types of tense such as present tense and past tense. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କାଳ ଏବଂ ଅତୀତ କାଳ. There are 8 tense forms in two tenses. ଦୁଇଟି tense, present tense ଆଉ past tense ରେ 8ଟି tense form ରହିଛି. By using these tense forms, we express the three phases of time. এই 8ଟି tense form को व्यवहार करी आमे जो तीनटा टाइम अछि से तीनटा टाइम को आमे परिप्रकाश करि परिबा. Now remember these tense forms which we had learned in class 9th. आमे नवम श्रेणी पढ़िथिबा टेन्स फॉर्म को चलो मने पकेइबा. First, present tense. There are four forms in present tense: present simple, present progressive, present perfect, present perfect progressive. Then past tense: past simple, past progressive, past perfect, past perfect progressive. In present tense, now we shall discuss about the structures. Present simple. SES, you have to remember SES means structure of English sentence. So present simple ro SES कौन? Subject plus verb 1 plus object plus others. Present progressive SES. SES means structure of English sentence. Subject plus is or am or are plus V4 plus object plus others. Then present perfect SES, subject plus have or has plus V3 plus object. Then present perfect progressive, subject plus have or has plus been plus V4 plus object. Then come to past tense. Past simple SES, subject plus V2 plus object plus others. Then past progressive, subject plus was or were plus V4 plus object plus others. Then past perfect, subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Then past perfect progressive, subject plus had been plus V4 plus object. Now we shall discuss ways of expressing the present time. प्रेजेंट टाइम को परिप्रकाश करिया पई तार पद्धति सब कौन कौन अछि among the 8 tense forms we use 2 tense forms only to express the present time हम जो 8टा टेंस फॉर्म रही से 8टी टेंस फॉर्म रु केवल दुईटी टेंस फॉर्म को व्यवहार करी आमे प्रेजेंट टाइम को एक्सप्रेस करिया परिप्रकाश करि परिया दे आर प्रेजेंट सिंपल एंड प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव अर्थात प्रेजेंट टाइम को एक्सप्रेस करिया पई दुईटी टेंस फॉर्म व्यवहार करिबा गोटे हला प्रेजेंट सिंपल आ गोटे हला प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव तो प्रथम देखिबा प्रेजेंट सिंपल there are 8 situations when we can use present simple form. Present simple form means subject plus v1 plus subject plus others. तो 8टी सिचुएशन रही जो थी कि आमे प्रेजेंट सिंपल को व्यवहार करिबा तो प्रथम देखिबा